Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you that how you can make your eyebrows looking good. So before jumping into the video, must subscribe my channel and must like this video. First of all, take some strips, wax strips. It is very easily available in any supermarket, so you can take these wax strips. And after taking these wax strips, you must have to cut these types of patches or pieces with the help of this scissor, like this. And I am cutting again from here. Okay, so first make it hot by rubbing it. And it has two sides. You can make it open, one for each side. Okay, so now you will apply it like the hairs that you don't need. And after applying, you will massage it like this. On the other side, you will do the same. Just apply it rightly where you need it, like this. On both sides, I have applied these strips and massaging it, rubbing it on it. So now I will pull it like this, and you can see that there are hair which now you can see that there are hairs. Now these two small strips here, like this, and second one is here. नहीं आना. And now cut a strip that is very thin. These thin strips, apply these thin strips here, like this, and second one here, like this. Cut another piece of strip. First pull it upwards, then again apply it and pull it downward. So now you can see that these are looking very good. I have done it. So you can see that the eyebrows are looking very well, very good, very groomed. But what we have to do, that just we have to pull out the bushes that are not looking good. Boys cannot shape it very sharp. So if you will make it very sharp, it will not look good. So just try to pull out the bushes that are not looking good. Otherwise don't change the shapes. So this is the tutorial for today. If you like my video, must subscribe my channel and must like this video. Bye bye.